Yeah, hello, good afternoon. Welcome to this segment. I'm Daniel Aribiton by name, the administrator of www.smsdiva.com. Now, in this segment, I'm going to be showing you how to make templates for websites. You want to make different types of templates. Be it you're trying to build a Joomla website, you could use this template, this software, sorry, to make templates for your WordPress websites, Drupal, Blogger, what have you, whatsoever websites, be it HTML, .php, .net, or whatsoever. Now, using this software can be very easy, just like you using your Microsoft Word Excel. The name of the software we're going to be using through this segment is called Artistia. This is the software. It's called Artistia, and it's going to be Artistia 3. There's an Artistia 1, 2, 3, and 4. The recent version that was upgraded some days ago or weeks ago, sorry, was called Artistia 4. Now, to get started with this website, first of all, you launch the template. You launch the software. Sorry, I don't know why I keep on saying template. I just finished building one shop. You launch the software. What type of templates do you want to make? Is it a Joomla, a WordPress, Drupal, Blogger, .NET Nuke, or whatsoever? Okay, we're going to be using the Joomla template. So I click on Joomla. We're going to take some time to come up. Okay, this is the interface, the default interface for Joomla, including the Joomla template. First of all, I'm going to be showing you some tweaks, some tricks, not really tricks, tweaks that you could use in designing. Sorry. Okay, you could come up to this point and you suggest design. Suggest design gives you already made templates. It depends if you like them, you could go ahead and edit in the templates, or you could, you understand, do one or two things with the templates. On clicking there, it takes some time to load. You can see it's toggled and we have another type of template. But no, we don't like this particular template. You go ahead to use another one. Suggest design. We don't like this type of template. Note, the type of template your site goes with depends on the type of site you're going to be building. I hope you got that. Like, it depends on the type of site you're going to be building. Now, for instance, let's say we're going to be building a bulk SMS website. Alright, let's get suggest design. Okay, I think this is quite a nice interface for a simplified bulk SMS website. Let's check down how it looks like. Hmm, okay, quite good. You have to make some changes. For instance, we don't like we have to put what we need to be on the website. So let's get started. To include your website name on this template, you come down to this point, the headline. You go to the edit part. For instance, we're going to be making a template for SMS. Okay, let's use new SMS. Now, on clicking down, it appears to at the place where headline was. Wow, that's nice. What's our company slogan? We love SMS. Click down, it comes to the position. So, wow, this is your current, the name of your website, for instance, www.newsms.com, and your slogan is we love SMS. So, the other part, do we like where it's being positioned? No. We come to this other point. Sorry, you click on the position. Where do you think is going to be nice for us to put this? Let's see. Okay, I would prefer it being at this other end. I love it being at this end. It's going to preview. Wow, new SMS, we love SMS. I think that's quite okay. But I'm not building any website, I'm just trying to show you. Okay, is it okay like this? You ask yourself the question. If you don't like, you may add. If you like, you may add a picture or two. You come to this point. What picture is going to be nice? On this particular version of Artistia, you have different pictures. I'm sure after the version 4, it's quite updated and a nice interface. It depends on the website you're going to be building. Like I said, you're going to be building a bulk SMS website. But you understand, we have some communicative pictures here. I think I saw some pictures based on communication. Let's see. Yes, here they are. Some people making phone calls. It depends. Would you like to put this on on your site. Get that, you go ahead to choose which is going to be on your site. For instance, let's use one of those. I prefer the girl. Yeah, she's in black, and the interface is it's looking, it's a dark kind of interface. So for instance, we have seen the girl. Do you like the position where she is? Nap. Let's take her up a little bit and shift. Okay, I think this part is gonna be okay. Yeah, new SMS. It has like a customer care and some other picture represents. Okay, we're done with this part. Let's go down to the menu part. We click on this part. Any part you want to work on notes, you click on that section. So this is menu. This is how your menu is for now. Do you like the way it's being starred? You come down the shape of your menu. Let's see. Anything you place your cursor on, it takes some time to put up and you preview before choosing. That's why I really love this particular software. Yeah, like it's quite different from your, what's it called, your Corel Draw. I designed with Corel Draw, so a little bit, not much. I think this one is better off the default. It's quite better. No, these things that are written here are not going to be on your website. This thing just came on default. What's on your website already is going to be there. This anything you do. So do you like your website like this? Is it going to be okay this way? That's a question you ask yourself on the other hand. Alright, let's see what else we're going to add. The layout of your website. Do you like it this way? Let's change the layout and see how what's going to look like. You come to this point for layout columns. Would you like it to be a one-column website? Let's see. Nope. This is how it was before. That's 2 columns. You see the columns, this and this. You come to this other part. Let's see. Let this other one go to this other part. Nope. Okay. Nope. So I'm gonna stick with the default. So for now, I think we're quite okay. I'm quite okay with this. But note, for you, you have to choose the other parts. You can move around columns, the shape width. How do you want the columns, like the column? You understand? It makes the website bigger. Depends. So you could go to the part, do your thing, walk around, feel free to do what you need to do, check out how it's going to be. But for now, I think we're okay with this template. But note, one thing you should always learn and always do change. I always change this part, the link, this part of the website. I always change it. So let's see how we're going to do that. It's called the footer. Come to text. It takes some time to boot up. Let's see. Okay, it comes up. But this is called the HTML editor. So you need to know a little bit of HTML, but not if you don't need to know HTML. Sorry, just note what I'm doing here. So this is the link, the hashtag. That hash is a link. Like what it signifies, it means this site is linked to nowhere. If I click on this link right here, sorry, if I click on this link, it doesn't take me to anywhere because of the hashtag. So now let's link this website out. I'm going to link it to texttoafrica.com. Let's say HTTP. Always make sure you do this. You see the semicolon, you slash www.texttoafrica.com. Hope it's correct. So we're linking this website out to www.texttoafrica.com. What's the link that you know this? What's showing here? That's a name. You can change the name out to maybe your website name if you're building this website for someone else. Let's see, text, whatever name you want to put there. So we're okay with that. There's another link, so we could change this part, or we're okay with that one. You come down powered by or designed by or whose concept is the owner of the website. We're going to add new SMS concept. So actually I'm doing a new SMS concept. Where we're going to link this to. If the owner of this design, the template, the website, if he has another website, you could always link it out. But if he doesn't, it's also good for SEO. The link is to somewhere else on the website, newsms.com slash index.php. From there you could also add the slash, maybe about us. About us. We're linking this to another part called about us. Now this one we don't have any use for the third one, so we're just gonna delete. Off you go, it's out. The year, you change the year to do it there on the website template already, 2013. You come down. Is it gonna be called this way? Okay, let's see what happens. Alright, we're done. Note how this looks now. We're gonna see how it's gonna look after we save. Okay. It's now linking out. This is what we did now, it's linking out. And we don't like it this way. Instead we're gonna make it break. So you go back to the footer, the text, you come down. We're gonna take this one out. Note this is a paragraph. Yeah, this is a paragraph. You make another paragraph. First of all, you close this. Note how I do the closing. And you open another paragraph here. This is you come to the end of this one, okay? It's closed. So let's see how it's going to look like now. Wow, it's now arranged. It depends on if you don't like it this way. You can play around. Go ahead and do what you would like to see on your website. Don't forget, I'm going to save the work now because to me I'm done. But you could also change some other things. Go ahead, play with whatsoever is here. You could always play colors, layouts, whatsoever you want to do. Get an idea, or you can always call us up for help if you want. So we go ahead to save this template. Since I'm going to be using it now, I'm going to be exporting immediately. I go to Joomla template. It's a Joomla website we're creating. If it were to be an HTML website, you go to HTML. First of all, you can also go to export options, fill in some options. Let's get to export options and see what's there. Like, I think that part is going to be where you put in some things you like to see on your website. Okay, this is it. This drop down menu is a list of some imaged favicon favorite icons you could use on your website. Let's see, they have so many, so you go ahead to choose. We're going to be using this one. It appears on the top of the website description. We add the name here. We love templates. We add so whatever you want to add, http www sorry http www global wave tech.net. This guy is the design template, the design website, so you could also go to there. Also URL, that's your URL. You could put in www, that's the name of your website. I'm host247.com. Whatever name you want to use, SMS. Or I'm going to be using my name, Daniel. Okay, so we're done. We come down to this part. I'm going to uncheck this. You could also put it to help them, the owners of the template, the owners of the software. I'm sorry. Now we're done. Go back to export. Name your template. You name your template. videos are we gonna name?